how to draw a polyline. PL, enter, and draw your polylines. Okay, enter. Then again PL, enter, right click here, A for arc, enter, and S for second point, enter. After you draw your second point, you draw your line. Okay, enter. Then draw again PL, enter, click here, and W, enter. W is width, and here specific width, suppose 2, enter, and specific ending width, same here. Okay, again W, enter, specific starting with, I click here 5, enter, and specific ending with, I click 0. Okay, you draw arrow. Okay, if you any doubt, please comment.